Alright, what's going on, everybody? Today we're starting off on the Impala revamp, rebuild. Gonna go into the garage and start working on the crankshaft, getting that thing all polished up. Got the looks on for safety glasses on this build, and we're gonna get this Impala back running and back into its livelihood. It has been a long time of bumps and bruises on this thing. As you can see, it's kind of jacked up right now. It used to be really pretty, but now it's about time to get it back going for my daughter. So you can see we got the crankshaft here out of the block, and it's pretty dirty. Got some oil. Check the clearances on it with the micrometer. Everything seems pretty standard, so we're going to be going back with standard bearings. And I'm going to get this all nicely, neatly polished up and get it back into the block. Recheck clearances with the block and the bearings, and work on my way into rods. I'm on day 2 with this crankshaft here. We sprayed in this previously.